All right, here, ladies and gentlemen, we've got a bomb drop. So what was WTF before it got modified?
It was a Dynam Primo.
About to happen. All right, so
Many of them are over there.
Let's talk about these wheels. Look at these wheels.
Foam and Gorilla Tape.
Foam and Gorilla Tape for extra traction.
Yep.
And these might be Tonka truck wheels.
Probably, honestly.
That's awesome.
No, it's foam, and then the more you fly it, the more the paint comes off the wheels. So put Gorilla Tape on there.
That's
too
cool.
lazy to paint it.
And here's our Bombay. Oh, look at that. Oh, and it even closes.
Yep.
Awesome. What's this guy right here? Oh, that's the servo, the back of the servo. Oh, cool. Look at this plane. This is the WTF. What's the OWTF? Here's our pilot.
Yes, we're dropping some bouncy balls.
Okay, so tell them what we got going on here.
We got a little box with a trap door with a servo arm on it. And if I flip the gear switch, it'll open up, and we got like 5 bouncy balls in there. We're gonna see how high they go.
This is gonna be great. All right, giddy up. WTF just took off. Beautiful.
How high up do you think I should go?
High as you want. Sweet. These balls might bounce as high as the plane is.
See if I'm lined up with the runway. I think I am. Here we go.
Bombs away!
Oh, I'm gonna miss the runway.
Oh, they made them. All 5 bounced. Cool. that was neat. Oh, the WTF dropped the bouncies. I think we'll be able to find them. Oh, WTF getting crazy on us. The balls are about right there. We gonna load the balls up again?
Yeah.
All right.
Some more in there.
We're gonna pause it and take 2. Look at this guy's plane. Now this is stuff that I can't do. But he just said, I'm gonna make me some ailerons. I'll just tape them right on. Look at the elevator and the rudder. I'm too scared to do stuff like this. And he's like, I'll just do it. It's almost like the first, is this the first timber? It might be a timber. All right, bouncy ball drop 2. WTF is in the air. He's going to plan on dropping them.
Let me go out to the middle of the runway so I can try and line it up better.
There you go. We got to get it lined up. Pilot's going to line it up.
Hopefully I don't get hit in the face.
Try to hit yourself with the bouncies. All right, so WTF is somewhere in Iowa right now, about to turn around. Where's WTF? Oh, there's WTF right there. All right, bombs away. They're out.
That looks really funny.
Cool. So what was WTF before it got modified?
It was a Dynam Primo.
The Dynam Primo.
I don't think they make it anymore, actually.
Got some steroids and grew. Awesome.
Flies much better with the control surface extensions.
I bet it does. Control surface extensions.
Turn it into like a
sweet
modified funny tub.